Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to import a CAD file, and specifically a DXF file, and we are going to stake said file. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to click on my Survey tab and head to CAD Stakeout. Within my map screen here, I'm going to click on the CAD folder with my green arrow. This is going to allow me to select my DXF file, and I'm going to locate where said file was saved on my data collector and select it. It's then going to load in my CAD file, and if I select this kind of CAD with the 4 arrows around it, it will show me where my CAD file is and all available information on it. Now, an important thing to note is even if your project is set to a specific unit, your file may not be in said unit. So you're going to want to select the proper unit in your file. So to do that, what we're going to do is click on this gear icon here and select the proper unit from my distance unit. I can now select any point or line on my drawing and begin to stake it out. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you import a CAD file to stake it out or do whatever else you so please inside of Survey Crew. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out, helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.